Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing Pokemon and another one. So guys, I want to give a shout out to Macy's for having these Pokemon cards in stock. Guys, I know it's really hard to get these cards, but check Macy's to get these Pokemon cards. Are you guys ready to open this with me? Let's go. We can start with this pack. So these are the Pokemon cards, the Scarlet and Violet, Destined Rivals, and Scarlet and Violet, Destined Rivals, Scarlet and Violet Journey Together. We also got this promo card. It is so cool. It's so cool. Amazing, I love it. This is so amazing. That's so cool. Arcanine. I like Arcanine. Ooh, Team Rocket's Giovanni. So cool. Spirit Bomb. This is amazing. Fight Ups. Arvin Sandwich. Ooh, Hyran Neeptar. Energy. And we're going to open the second pack. Let's go. Whoa, look at this. We got Smoliv, Torch, Nidoran, Nidoqueen, Greedent. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I got Ho-Oh. So amazing. I got a basic energy. Rotom. Faros, yeah. So cool. Cyndaquil. Transceiver. So I'm already done with this card pack. So let's open the third card pack. Lotad. Nimble. Larvitar. Remoraid. Oinkolong. And so cool. And then I got Hops back. Oh. Ooh, what's this? I got Nimble again. I got Hops, Cramorant. Oh my gosh, I got Volcanion. So cool. Now we're done with the first box. Now let's open the second box. Now I have 3 packs. I got this one again. So I am going to get this. So now I have 3 packs, which is Scarlet and Violet Journey Together, Scarlet and Violet Destined Rivals. So cool. Scarlet and Violet Destined Rivals. So let's open this card pack. Got Staryu, Misty, Kangaskhan. So cool, Kangaskhan. Cyndaquil. I got Drowsy. It's so cool. Then I got a Judge. I got a Fortress. Now a Float Cell. A Dolive. And then I got the Team Rocket's factory. Gyarados. So cool. Let's open the next pack. Clam Pearl. Ponyta. Scraggy. Ooh, Mudbray. I like Mudbray. Got Team Rocket and Gyarados. Then I got Team Rocket or Ogerpon. Team Rocket's Great Ball. Woo! Sneasel. Abomasnow. Ooh, I got Mewtwo! This is so cool, I got Mewtwo! So guys, I'm going to open my last pack. I hope for last pack magic. Let's open. Carablast. Kecleon. So cool. I got Torchic. I got Waterol. Heat up. What's this? Ooh, I got Electrode. And then I got again Hop's Bag. So cool, Hop's Bag. Whale Ord. So cool. Larvitar. Ludicolo. Guys, I'm already done with my packs. Aww. Now it's time to put them in my binder. So as you can see, I'm a huge fan of Pokemon. Yay! So let's go to the sixth page. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of collecting Pokemon cards. So this is like an amazing Mewtwo. This is actually gonna be my favorite Pokemon. So happy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.